Could we try that take one more time? All right, here we go. Energy!
What are you eating?
What am I eating? Honey-Walnut Shrimp from Panda Express. I love this stuff.
I think we can do better.
All right, my dad's gonna make his Honey-Walnut Shrimp today on Hunger Pangs. Before you came to the US, you never had this dish before, right?
I never heard that before.
Only when you came here and you're out to a restaurant with mom did you try for the first time.
Honey-Walnut Shrimp is your mom's favorite.
Really?
Yes, whenever she went to the dim sum place with her coworker, they always order that. So that's why, I come up with this recipe. I'm trying to make your mom's happy.
That's a secret to a long and happy marriage, right?
This.
Okay, happy
Right.
wife, happy life. All right, so we're gonna make your honey walnut shrimp. This is in a very Chinese cookbook, our cookbook, shameless plug. And what's the first thing that we need to do?
Candied walnut.
Candied walnut. Okay, great. So we have in front of us half a cup of walnuts. We also have a non-stick skillet. We're gonna turn this onto medium. And the first thing that we wanna do is we wanna toast this, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna add this onto the skillet. And you wanna keep moving it around.
Yes.
And you're waiting for it to be what, like spotty brown?
Yes. You start to smelling it, so that tell you it's done.
It's releasing the aromas.
Yes, aroma.
Okay, great. So let's just leave it here for a few minutes. We're going to move it from time to time. Again, we're looking for it to get spotty brown. This will take about 3 minutes or so over medium heat. So this looks ready now. We've got a baking sheet with parchment paper lined. This is gonna happen really quickly. This is the part that's gonna be turning walnuts into candied walnuts here. So first we have just 2 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna add this into it really quickly, and you wanna keep stirring, right?
Yes, of
Okay, here's the water. Here's 2 tablespoons of sugar. Finally, this is an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. This is slowly going to caramelize. You can see already it is starting to tighten considerably. The water is starting to turn into a glaze, and that's exactly what we're looking for, right?
Yeah, you can start to smell.
And once it's almost all evaporated, we'll take these walnuts and we'll place it onto this baking sheet. So we'll spread these walnuts into an even layer, and we're gonna want this to cool for at least 30 minutes at room temperature. And once it does, it's gonna be hard as a brick, and that's candied walnut. See, it's as easy as that.
Yeah, or you can buy it from the supermarket. It's easier.
Well, now you tell me. Before we even get to the shrimp, we're gonna talk about what I think is the most important part, the sauce, and this is the part that my dad came up with. So tell me, oh dear dad, what are your secrets?
My secret?
Yes.
Dun, 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 dun. Look at this.
Wow. With such flourish too. This is Kewpie mayonnaise, it's Japanese mayo. This stuff is absolutely delicious. It's a little bit more savory and creamier than American style mayonnaise. If you've ever had spicy tuna, the mayo inside that, that's made out of Kewpie. So we have a 1/4 cup, we're gonna put it in this big bowl here. So what's up next?
Condensed milk.
This is sweetened condensed milk.
Yes.
So we have a tablespoon of sweetened condensed milk.
Hong Kong people love condensed milk because in the old day, we don't have the refrigerator.
Oh.
So in the summertime, everybody use that, because, the temperature.
It's non-perishable, it's inside a can.
Yes, yes.
Now what else do we have?
Lemon juice.
This is a tablespoon, it's gonna add a little bit of balance and acidity. And then finally, we have,
honey.
what'd you call me? Oh, I'm sorry, you're using honey.
It's the first time I call you honey?
I think it might be.
Okay.
This is a teaspoon of honey. We're going to mix everything together. Japanese mayo, condensed milk, lemon juice, and honey. All right, that looks good.
It's time for the shrimp.
We have here size 16 to 20 shrimp. We have a pound of it. 16 to 20 size shrimp means that 1 pound contains 16 to 20. It's also called jumbo shrimp. And here's the important thing. We're frying this for 4 minutes, and so you do want the larger size shrimp. Don't skimp on the mini stuff. The size of these shrimp matters. And what do we need to do first?
You want it to be dry, use a paper towel to pack it.
Okay, so we're gonna pat it dry.
Pack it dry.
This has been deveined, and we're gonna place all these shrimp into this bowl. So we're gonna be marinating this, and we're going to be adding an egg, but we're not using the whole egg, right?
Yes, use an egg white.
Just the egg white, okay?
White.
This is the whites from one egg, which we're gonna add to the jumbo shrimp. We also have
Shaoxing
Shaoxing. This is a teaspoon of Shaoxing. We'll add it to the shrimp here. This is your favorite.
my favorite, white pepper.
White pepper. We use white pepper instead of black pepper. It's a bit more floral. This is a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. And finally,
It's the salt.
a 1/4 teaspoon of table salt. And we're just going to gently mix this together until everything is well coated. How's that looking, Dad?
Looks great.
So this will sit in a fridge for about 15 minutes, right?
minutes.
And then it's time to get frying. Let's talk about what we have here. We have our rimmed baking sheet with the wire rack, triple layer of paper towels, and our spider skimmer. We have, of course, the wok. You can use a Dutch oven. There's 2 quarts of peanut oil, and we have a probe thermometer. This is at a very, very scorching hot 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And of course, we have the shrimp. This has been in the fridge for at least 15 minutes. And what are we using to dredge today?
Cornstarch.
It's our favorite thing to fry with, cornstarch. It makes for a crispier, lighter texture. So I'm going to use these chopsticks, and I'm going to lightly dredge each one of these in the cornstarch, just like that. Go shake off the excess. That looks good.
Yes, that's good.
And we're going to place it onto this plate here, and we're going to do this with all the shrimp. This is the dish that made mom's office workers envious of your cooking abilities, right?
She always promised, to bring the water shrimp,
Yeah?
for the potluck. I make this almost every month.
You make this every month?
Yes.
Compared to the version that you get at takeout, this is going to be the crispiest, crunchiest version of honey walnut shrimp you'll ever have.
Yes. That's
Right?
Right.
Personal guarantee from you.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Otherwise, they get your money back.
Okay.
Your money.
No.
We are almost done with the cornstarch, and the oil, it is perfect. It is at 425. Now, we're not going to be frying this all at once, right?
Yes, for 2 batch.
In 2 batches. And the reason we do this is we don't want the oil temperature to get too cool. That's going to affect the crispiness of the coating. And why don't we take your tongs, your trusty tongs, and let's place half of these into the oil. Great.
You need to move it, otherwise it will stick together.
You're looking for between 400 and 425, and this will take 4 minutes.
Hey, look at this.
Whoa, look how crispy that looks.
I think it's done.
Okay, great. And I'm going to put it onto this paper towel. We'll let this strain, and then we're going to get frying with the second batch. Shrimp's been fried, the sauce is made, the walnuts are ready. Is there anything else we need to do?
Just add the shrimp to the sauce.
And then we can eat.
And also add the walnut.
Also the walnuts as well.
And toast it.
Toss everything together.
Toss, yes.
Okay, all right. So you can break it up as large or small as you want, just like that. Okay, and then we have the shrimp. So Dad, can you take this and just add the shrimp together? No need to be fussy here. I've got a rubber spatula. I'm going to toss everything together. Beautiful. I'll put this underneath. And now we toss everything together. Look at that. You want to toss it? Yeah, there you go. All right. I think this looks pretty good. And I'm going to put this into the bowl. Don't want to waste any of this beautiful sauce.
No, please.
And there you have it, folks. Honey walnut shrimp, the best in the world, according to my pops, but also according to me. The best way to serve this, of course, is with steamed rice. Now, curiously, I've got 3 bowls of rice, and there's only 2 of us here. So what should we do?
Invite your mom.
Invite my mom? Hey, there she is. She's back for the season finale of Hunger Pangs. All right. This is your favorite dish.
Right.
And it's famous around Seattle office workers, right? Okay, should you try this and see if this is up to your standard? Go for it.
Crispy, sweet.
Up to your standards?
Yes, always.
All right.
Kevin, I think we should open a restaurant, a Chinese restaurant.
You and I together?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Yes. Panda Express.
Panda Express? Wow, with the dad jokes. Okay, all right. This guy's the next Jerry Seinfeld. Well, I have a surprise for you guys. Look what I brought here. Ah.
Okay.
You know what? People slag it, but I think it's actually pretty good. But here's the issue. It's never as crispy as when you're making it at home, and this is way crunchier. So yeah, I mean, it's still pretty good. No?
Try this.
No, I prefer mine.
So what's your favorite takeout dish? Let us know in the comments below. And for this recipe, go to americastestkitchen.com/pang or scan this QR code.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe.
Good job.
Good work.
Thank you. Thank you.